Today I will teach you world's easiest and best trick to remove background from any image. This is a professional way to remove the background so you can use for your professional purposes. So let's get into the video. First I will show you the universal website that everyone use for daily purposes. This website name is RemoveBG. I know most of you know about this website, but I'm just showing you the demo that how everyone does in daily life. But this is not the professional way. So I'm showing you that the main trick that you can do to remove background in professional way. Also, it's super easy, right? Okay, let's go for it. This is the image that I have for making transparent. A bonus tip for you: upscale the image to make high quality transparent PNG image. So I'm upscaling the image into 4x. Okay, upscaling done. Now I will download it. This was the first image that before upscale. So if I show you the properties, you can see the resolution was low and only 341 KB. Now let's see after upscaling how much resolution is. It's 752 KB right now and 4K resolution, you can see 4000. So this is much high quality than before. Now uploading the image into Photopea, and now see what I'm doing. Here you can see the option select and you can see the remove BG option, and click on it. You will see that an ad will show there, and this is a free software, that's why we need to see the ad. After seeing the ad, just close it and you will see the background automatically removed. See how smoothly the background is removed. Really high quality, and you don't need any fancy software to remove that. Okay, one pro tip for you: just click on again remove BG to ensure the background is removed 100% and it will more quality transparent image. Okay, you can see still processing, so let's wait. So after that, just you need to increase the image size. So I will click on image, then image size, select DPI 150, then click OK. Now export this as PNG. Select the quality 100% and click save. Okay, our image is done. Our transparent, high quality, professional image is done. You can see how high quality the image is now. So that's it, guys. I hope you find it helpful. See you in the next video.